So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit more of a chill chit chat get ready with me life update. So if you want to watch me play with some makeup as well as learn where I've been and why, then just keep on watching and let's get into it, shall we? So hey everyone, a long time no see. It feels like so long since I've last even played with makeup or anything. I know it's been like 2 and a bit weeks since I last uploaded onto my YouTube channel, which was my Pumpkin Queen transformation, which was like the finale to my Halloween series. And then it was like 2 weeks prior to that I just also didn't upload in. So I just want to start off by saying sorry for the lack of content recently. Things in my life have just been hectic and just kind of crazy, and everything seems to be like happening at once. So I thought in today's video I'd just do like a little bit more of a chill kind of chit chat get ready with me, kind of explain where I've been, kind of what's been happening with me, and just kind of the works of it all. So let's finish the rest of this face. I already did my base off camera just to save me a little bit of time, and let's get glam. Also, with like all of my chit chat get ready with me's, I'm not really going to be doing this as a tutorial or like saying what products or anything I use. I will try and like list them or like link them down below, but I'm pretty much just going to be applying makeup and chatting to you guys. So like I was saying, my last upload was like 2 and a bit weeks ago, and then I just kind of like disappeared off the face of the earth. I've not really been like active on any social media or like anything. I literally just like disappeared. Pretty much what happened was I started to get sick towards like the middle of my Halloween series, since I was filming each look like on the night, editing it, and then like putting it up for the day after or like on that night. So I was only managing a couple of hours sleep. Also, like combined with that, I work 50-hour work weeks pretty much 2-3 times a month, and then the rest of the time it's like 40 hours. So pretty much busy full-time work. So trying to fit in like filming for like 3-4 hours a night and editing for like another like 5 hours each night just really did not play well with my brain. And pretty much after like day 10, my body just kind of like gave in on me, and I was like down in the dumps. Like I was so stressed, I was so like aggy. Like anyone that spoke to me was like, are you on your like period? Like, are you okay? Like I was just not feeling myself, and I was like, I'll just take a day or 2 off, like maybe double film on one of them days and like do it that way, just so I had a little bit more time to kind of work on the videos and kind of do the videos how I wanted. So I pretty much was like, right, you know what, I'm not going to upload for a day or 2. I'll film and just kind of like take my time with the videos to like get them to where I want them to be, since pretty much I only had like one opportunity to film each video, and I'm such a perfectionist that I wasn't happy with the content I was making. So I was like, I'll give myself a little bit more time to kind of film the videos, and I'll sort it out that way, and I'll like sleep in between and just like give myself a little bit more time. And obviously that didn't really work. It worked for like a couple of the videos. I took a break and then uploaded and like carried on the routine, and then I pretty much just disappeared and then came back for my Halloween Queen transformation, which also I didn't even manage to get up on Halloween. So that was really irritating to me. And then afterwards, I just felt so sick. Like I pretty much was on off with a full-blown like cold and headache constantly throughout the end of October, and it's because I was overworking myself. I was exhausted and I was super stressed. And when I get into that like point, I either flourish and do really well and like perform, edit, do it all and have no issues, or I go the complete opposite and go into like my depressive downward spiral. And I unfortunately went down the latter route and ended up like really in like a bad mental place again. So yeah, sorry for the like lack of content recently, but pretty much over the last like 2 and a bit weeks I've just kind of been organizing, planning out videos, and just pretty much taking a break for myself. I mean, I've still been working every single day. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, that's usually where I update like as much as I can, or if you want to get in contact with me, that's usually the easiest. But yeah, I was pretty much still working every single day while being stressed, while trying to like sort everything out. So YouTube unfortunately took a backseat and I took a break from it. However, I'm hopefully like trying to get back into the swing of it. Even playing with makeup now feels really foreign, since it's pretty much been like a month since I last did like any form of like full-on drag beat pretty much. So yeah, this feels very foreign and strange to me, but I'm hopefully going to get back in the swing of it. There's going to be plenty of content coming soon for you guys, and throughout the rest of this week I'm hoping to upload like a couple of my more like Halloween themed looks that I didn't manage to film, and then the rest of the costumes that aren't like super Halloween themed will hopefully be going up throughout the end of November and into the start of December. And I don't want to jinx it since I always seem to do this, but I'm hoping that like pretty much every single day in December, apart from weekends, there's going to be a new upload. So I'm hoping to do 5 videos a week all throughout December as kind of like a apology and to get me back in the swing of it, since I absolutely love YouTube. I love drag, I love filming, I love editing, I love like doing this whole process. Like it brings me so much joy, but yeah, I need to get back into the routine of it. I need to get back in the swing of it, and don't worry, there'll be content coming again soon. I needed a break since I fucked myself up in October pretty much. One good thing that came out of me having a break though is that I've started back at the gym. If you guys don't know, which I'm assuming most of you won't, but pretty much I stopped going to the gym this time last year to focus on my Halloween series, and over the last year I've maybe been like, no joke, probably 3 times in the last year, and I have gained literally like 1.5 to 2 stone in the last like year and a half, and I have become so unhappy with like my body and my shape and just my weight. So over the last like pretty much 2 and a bit weeks, I've not been filming for YouTube or like editing or like doing pretty much anything on any form of social media. I've been trying to hit the gym a lot more and go like 3 times a week, and obviously it's going to take me a long time to get my body back to toned and lose that like stone and a bit of weight that I gained. But yeah, you guys haven't noticed, but I have been like so self-conscious about my body and my like how much I show. I know I've done a couple of videos where I'm literally in like very little clothing, but let me tell you, when I very meticulously edited those videos to show only certain parts of my body, girl, the struggle has been real. So one good thing that came out of me having a break was me starting to focus on my body again and just kind of my health, since that's like the first thing that slips. As soon as I get stressed, as soon as I like start to like go in my little downward spiral, my like physical and mental health like literally like exponentially skyrockets into the ground. So I've pretty much started trying to go to the gym a couple of days a week again, and hopefully I can get my body back on point, back on fleek, and showing a lot more of it again, hopefully in the new year on my channel when I'm a little more toned and this double chin's a little bit less flabby. Another good thing that's came out of me having my little break and breakdown is that I've had time to sit and plan out some looks. So on my wall now, I have a calendar from today's date up until December the 31st of every single thing that I want to do each day. If you guys don't know this about me, I am such a planning person. I love organizing, I love making lists, I love planning. So I pretty much made an entire like plan and list of every single look that I want to film and what I want to do on each day. So like I said, there should be 5 videos every like week throughout December, so like Monday through Friday, and then sometimes like on a weekend too. But pretty much I've planned out so much good stuff, and at the start of this year I tried to start it by doing like a theme per month of like what the looks will be. Obviously that went to complete shit towards like the middle of the year and like now towards the end of this year, but hopefully for next year I've already planned out kind of the first 6 months of the looks that I'm planning to do and like the themes, and I've started to put together like different wigs, different outfits, different stuff to make me step outside my comfort zone. So if there's anything like specific you want to see, let me know and I can try and like fit it in, or can become like a whole theme of the month throughout next year. So yeah, let me know. I know we're only at like the end of November, but I am so excited for 2020 already. Like 2019 has just been such a weird and like kind of down year for me. So I'm excited for 2020. I already have looks planned. So yeah, another little random update. Another thing I wanted to update you guys on is my upload schedule. So pretty much going forward, I'm going to stick to 1 new video every single Monday on my main channel, and every single Sunday there should be a new video up on my Patreon, as well as like extra and bonus days depending on like how much time I pretty much have. If you guys don't know what my Patreon is, it's pretty much a paid YouTube in which I upload like extra videos, extra content, some more risque stuff on there, and you guys pay depending on like what category of stuff you want to see. So yeah, I'm planning to like get back into the routine of it and at least do like one new video on each of them every single week. Hopefully, girl. Everything feels weird doing my makeup today. Like, I haven't filmed properly in like literally a month, and this feels like the first time I've ever done drag. Like, everything seems really weird to blend, to apply, and let's just say this look is probably not my greatest and prettiest look to date. I always do this when I film Chit Chat Get Ready With Me's, where I literally forget every single thing that I want to like update you guys on and talk to you guys on. So if there is anything else, I will put it in the description box of this video. And as always, don't like hesitate to contact me. Snapchat's probably the easiest way to contact me. So if you do have any questions or you ever want to ask me anything, that's probably the easiest way. But yeah, my mind's literally gone blank to anything else I wanted to update you guys on, as per usual. So yeah, that's it for my Chit Chat Get Ready With Me life update. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. Like I said, there should be one new transformation every single Sunday up on my Patreon. And at least one new video every single week on a Monday on my main YouTube channel. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. That was a really good tongue pop.